Hey guys, I'm Shalini and today I'm going to show you how to do a step-by-step waterfall braid. I'll be honest, when I first saw this hairstyle, I thought I will never be able to ace it, but I was so wrong because this hairstyle is so simple and I'm going to show you how it's done. And in case you guys are new to the BeBeautiful channel, then do not forget to subscribe for more hairstyle videos like this. Begin by taking a side parting. Split the section into 3 halves. Take the right over the middle and then take the left over the middle. Using the right section, add hair from the top into the middle section. Leave the left section as it is and add a little bit of hair right next to it into the middle section. Repeat this till the back of the hair and then continue doing a 3-strand braid. Secure it with tic-tac pins and cover it with some hair. If you want, you can also add some hair accessories into the braid. And there you have it, the perfect yet simple waterfall braid. So I hope you guys like this hairstyle. Please do try it and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. I would love to know. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!